In this tutorial, we will have a look at how you can use our invoicing feature. Some ways in which you can start creating invoices are using the API, Zūm Connect, or manually creating the invoice through the Zūm Portal. To create an invoice through the user interface, navigate to the Invoices menu option and click on the Add New Invoice button. On this page, you can add a new user by entering some basic information, or just plug in an existing user. Next, add a new product or choose an existing product for the invoice. You can also create a one-off product which will be specific to this invoice. You can also add a memo to describe what the invoice is for. Further on, you can either charge the user automatically with the payment details on file or email the invoice to the user so they can pay for it directly. Once you are done adding the information, you can preview the invoice details on the right. Check to see if you've entered the right details and click on the Create Invoice button on the bottom right to save this information. Once created, you can go to Invoice List and find the invoice details there. You can view the details of the invoice by clicking on this button. The View Invoice page contains an overview of key invoice information, like the product details or credit notes associated to the invoice. You can also see the status of the invoices, the most common statuses being active, past due, or void. You can take several actions from the top right box, like issuing a credit note or modifying the status of the invoice. You can also download or send the invoice to the user via email. Additional info can be found in our documentation, or you can contact our support team through the chat function in the sandbox.